Hello friends, today I'm going to show you something that I got it from OnePlus, and in the box they have written like this: a person of superior taste in tech commonly found with the red charging cords. Indirectly they are saying that we do use OnePlus phones. So let me open this up. Okay, we got some bill here, and we got this. Put this aside. Okay, as you can see here, this is the OnePlus Bullet Bluetooth headphones. In here it is cost around 3,919 in India. So I got it directly from Amazon rather than using the OnePlus. But let me open this up. Here we go, friends. So I'm going to open this up. Wow, we do have something in the background. I didn't know about this. So here are the headphones. As you can see, it is inside here, but there is a picture here, and the headphones are actually, I think, below this box. Let me pull this out. Yes, it's below this box. Free your music, created together with our fans, and there is a heart sign here. What we get other than this in the box, there is a never settle. Okay, here are the extra earpiece adjusts, like if you have big ears, so you can take this, or if you want noise cancellation, then you can use these alls. So it is a nicely laid out here. I think I will show you. Just a minute. As you can see here, it is nicely laid out here. These are like these goes directly to the earphones, but when you can store it here like this. It's too hard to do it, but it's fine. We will go through it. Yes, I did it. You can see here. So they have, I think they have installed here one of the noise cancellation earpieces, but these are some more types of earpieces so that you can use it to make the earphone tight in your ears. This is, I don't know what, I think this is a case. Pull this out. Yes, it is a case. They have given a case to put your Bluetooth earphone, and inside this case we have one second. Yeah, we have a USB-C to USB-A cable, so that to charge it. It's a good thing that this earphone charges with USB-C. This is the case. These are the buds. Now let's dig here. For this I need to study. Let me put you in a stand. So here we go. This will be opened. Oh, this is another seal here. Oh, this is my first experience too, my friends. I haven't used these headphones, and later on I'll let you know. Wow, this opens like this. There is a card here. This is the normal user manual card. This is a book, actually, not a card. Let me show this up. See, we have another book here. There are two books in here. User manuals. Another is also a user manual. And finally, we have the headphone. So we need to pull this here like this, and it goes up like this and it comes out here. This side also we have to pull it like this. Okay, carefully. We're done with this box and everything. Pull everything aside. Let's check this out. In here, this goes around your neck, and this is the charging port. As you can see, this is the USB-C charging port. This cord we get here, we can put this here, and you can charge it using your desktop or laptop, whatever you have. And we do have one button here to switch it on, I think. Yes, yes. Here the light glows. So it is present in the pairing mode. When you pair it, it will stop blinking like this. And we have another thing in here is this headphone has magnetic thing. So when it is around your neck, so it will be like this, just like a locket or necklace, whatever you think. So we get, let me open this up, disconnect it. So we get here, yes, we get here play, call, accept, reject button, and we get plus minus for your volume up and down, here, call, receive, and you can use this button for playing or pausing your music also. So that's all, my friends. This is the OnePlus Bullet wireless earphones, and I will use it, and I will share you in the comments how it feels and how the sound quality is, and is it value for money or not. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe. Bye bye.